Welcome, my friend.
Take a moment to just settle in. You do not need to hurry here.
You do not need to achieve anything right now. You are safe. You are home. Let your shoulders drop down away from your ears.
Unclench your jaw.
Feel the weight of your body resting softly on your chair or your bed.
Feel the soft fabric of your clothes against your skin. Feel the gentle air moving in and out of your lungs.
Take a slow breath in with me now. Hold it for a brief moment. And now let it all go with a quiet sigh.
Today, let us talk about the voice inside your mind.
The voice that speaks to you when you make a mistake.
The voice that speaks when you are tired.
Sometimes that voice is sharp.
Sometimes it is cold like a sudden winter wind. We call this our self-talk. And so often, without even knowing it, we speak to ourselves in ways we would never speak to a loved one, or even to a stranger.
Think about the ticking of an old clock on a quiet wall. Tick-tack, tick-tack. Day after day it keeps moving. Society tells us to move like that clock. We feel we must run, produce, achieve, and fix everything around us. We rush through our days with a heavy heart, feelings as if we are always running behind.
And when we slow down, our inner voice whispers, "You are not doing enough. You should be working harder. Look at how far everyone else has gone." But listen closely to me, my dear friend.
Look at the trees outside your window.
In the cold days of winter, the trees seem still.
They do not fight the cold.
They do not rush to grow green leaves in the middle of a frost.
Their roots reach deep down into the dark, quiet earth, resting, waiting, and drawing strength.
They know that resting is not dying. Resting is how they prepare to live again.
You too are like those ancient trees. You do not need to bloom in every season.
It is okay to be still.
It is okay to be tired. You are enough exactly as you are right now in this quiet moment.
Let us practice together. Take another slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your chest with gentle air. And gently exhale, releasing all the tension you have carried all day long. When a negative thought comes to your mind, do not fight it.
Do not be angry at yourself for having a harsh thought.
Simply notice it.
Imagine that negative thought is a dry brown leaf floating down a calm blue river. You do not need to jump into the water to chase the leaf. You do not need to hold on to it.
You can just stand on the soft riverbank, watching the leaf gently float away until it is gone.
Replace that dry leaf with a soft green word.
When your mind says, "I am failing," try softly telling yourself, "I am learning.
I am growing at my own pace." When your mind says, "I should be better," tell yourself, "I am doing the best I can today," and that is completely enough. Healing your self-talk takes time.
It is not a race.
It is a soft blooming of a flower, petal by petal under the gentle sunlight.
Be patient with your heart.
Be kind to your mind. Let us breathe one last time together. Inhale peace and comfort. Exhale worry and stress.
Thank you for spending this quiet time with me today, friend.
Remember to carry this kindness with you into the rest of your day.
You are safe.
You are loved.
And you are doing just fine.